Okay, amid the tariffs and an uncertain stock market, it's important to invest your money wisely. Brent Wilsey, president of Wilsey Asset Management, joins us now with tips on how to be a great investor during this volatile time. Brent, good morning. Nobody knows more about this than you.
Well, thank you, and good to be here. And over my 40 years of investing, one thing I've noticed about great investors, and I spend a lot of time meeting them, studying what they do and so forth, is that they stay the course. And this is what you have to understand is, what did a great investor do? And people just don't do it. So, I mean, you know, I've talked and met with people and studied people like Warren Buffett, David Dreaman, Christopher Davis, Mario Gabelli. I mean, these guys always did the same thing. One thing they did not do: they never made decisions based on emotions, which unfortunately people do.
Yeah, because emotions have to be left on the side, because investing is counterintuitive.
Yeah,
right.
And as you know, our slogan has always been no emotions, just results.
Right.
Yeah.
So. Can't argue with that. Okay, you've got 4 bullet points here. We'll go right down the line. Know what you own.
This is very important. What do you own in your portfolio? Because many times people really don't know. Do they have mutual funds? Okay, have mutual funds. Well, what's in those mutual funds? What type of investments are they? If you own stocks, well, what stocks do you own? If you have a broker or advisor, and I want people to understand the difference. A broker sells you a product. They're probably going to tell you, oh, just stay the course, everything will be fine. An advisor should be able to say, well, stay the course because here is why, and explain out reasons why you're on the right path, what you have in your portfolio, and tell you what you have in your portfolio. Again, if you're doing it yourself, make sure you got to separate yourself and say, what do I really own here? What is in my portfolio? And understand it, not just say I have stocks. Well, what stocks? Not just mutual funds. What kind of mutual funds? So really understand what you own in your portfolio.
All right, number 2, why do you own what you own?
And this is an important one, because when you look at that portfolio, now you know what you have in your portfolio. Why do I hold that? Do I hold a bond fund? Well, wait, why do I have a bond fund? My objective is, 20 years down the road, what am I doing with the bond fund, the portfolio? Don't let, especially now, don't let the surrounding environment dictate what you own. You've got to own what is best for your situation. And if it was the same thing 6 months ago, it should be the same thing now. Just because of all the tariffs and the craziness going on, you should not be changing from what you do own in the portfolio. And you've got to understand why you own it. Because if you don't understand why you own it, you may have things that don't fit you. So make sure you understand why you own, stocks and what stocks you own. These mutual funds, again, go back to the mutual funds. And if it's your 401k, why do I have this in my 401k? Understand what you're doing in your portfolio.
Okay, number 3, have your objectives or philosophy change.
And this is an important one, because again, when the wind blows, all of a sudden your objectives change. No, if you're 40, 50 years old, and I want to tell people, even if you're 60, oh, I don't have much time. We have so many clients, can't even count the number of clients who are in their 80s now. If you're even 65, you have still a 10 to 15 year horizon, which is still long term. So don't let the objectives change just because of outside information is causing you to get kind of nervous and your emotions changing. And what is your philosophy? I mean, we're value investors. We like to buy businesses on sale. Understand what your philosophy is, because again, if the wind blows and you change your philosophy, you don't have a philosophy. I mean, I've been a value investor now for 30 years. I love doing it because I can understand it. It works very well. I'm not going to change my philosophy because, oh, there's tariffs that are going to change things for the next few months here. Don't do that, and make sure your advisor, your broker, again, is not changing what they're doing for you.
Okay, and finally, if I didn't own it today, would I buy it now?
Such an easy question, but sometimes people don't ask that. They'll buy a stock or buy a mutual fund, and it goes down 30, 40%. Oh, well, as soon as this goes back up, I'm going to sell and get out. Well, first of all, I always tell people, the market doesn't know what you paid for it, so don't do that. But ask yourself this question: well, it's down 30%. Is it still the great business that I had before? And if it is, gee, maybe I should step in and buy more because it's on sale. So if you wouldn't do that today and say, no, I would never buy this today, then you got to sell that, because the market is not going to listen to you and wait for you to go back up. You have to understand, again, it comes back to kind of what you own. And if you wouldn't buy today, very easy. If You wouldn't buy that stock or mutual fund today, sell it, get rid of it, be done with it.
All right. You still doing your free newsletter?
We do. I mean, with the newsletter is smartinvesting2000.com, and there's so much information there. I mean, we hit a little bit here on KUSI when we can, but actually the newsletter has about 10 different things every week about all this information. People love it. They say, gosh, it's so informative. It really helps keep me on track. That's what we try to do, is keep investors on track, our clients, you know, viewers and so forth, to stay on track with the right investing, because you'll do very well long term. But unfortunately, sometimes people get off track, and that's what the newsletter does. It keeps you on track. smartinvesting2000.com.
All right. Brent Wilsey, Wilsey Asset Management. Thanks. Great seeing you as always.
Good
info.
being here.